All right, boys and girls, I am going to walk you through this word problem that you need to do as your independent work. We didn't do one of these in class. I don't think that there was any that looked like this, okay? But we are still going to use the same strategies that we practiced in class, okay? It's problem number 2. It says, Stephen put together 981 pieces of a puzzle. And then it says about, and because it says about in math, we know that oftentimes or usually it means round. So, okay, so he put together 981 pieces of a puzzle. About how many pieces did he put together? So this is the exact number of pieces. We need to figure out about how many pieces this is. So in other words, we need to round. And then if you keep on reading, it says round to the nearest thousands. And then it says use what you know about place value to explain your answer. Okay, so usually students see this number. They see the number 981. And then they say, well, there's something wrong here with the directions because it says round to the nearest thousands. So this has no thousands. We can still round to the nearest thousands. So let's use a number line, just like how we were doing in class, okay? And so I am going to label my endpoints. In the bottom endpoint, if I am rounding this number to the thousands, well, this number, 981, is between 0,000 and 1,000. Okay? 981 is between 0,000 and 1,000, somewhere in between. And then let's label, like in class, the halfway point. Well, halfway between 0 and 1,000, halfway is 500, right? You can also think of what is half of 1,000. Well, it's 500. And then from there, your job is going to decide. You're going to decide where, on the number line, where is this number? Is it above or is it below the halfway point? Okay, so you go ahead and label the number 981, either above or below 500, and then you decide which endpoint, the bottom or the top endpoint, is closest to 981. And then that would be your answer. Okay, so that's going to be your task. I just wanted to explain because many times students think, oh no, that must be a mistake because it says to round to the thousands place, but there's no thousands, it only goes up to the hundreds. But we can still round it. It's closer. In essence, we are deciding if 981 is closest to 0 or is it closer to 1,000. All right. Okay, I'll leave you with that. And as I said in class, number 3, that's going to be your challenge word problem. If you do solve it, send a picture of it and I will give you that extra credit, class.